Good evening mga pasaway! Let's make a sauce for our chicken. This is the, I don't know what it will taste. What will be the taste of this, because it's just an experiment that I'm going to do. It's a pesto and creme fraiche, and I will put a little bit yogurt and a little bit egg na yellow. Let's proceed to our sauce making. This is our pesto, and then we will put the creme fraiche, and we will put our egg na yellow. Let's smash it. I still have a yogurt. I will put also this yogurt. All of this is yung tira-tira. And then we will put our sauce and the how do you call it, in the chicken, fried chicken. How can we say it? So let's put it. Let's mix it. See, we will mix and let it solder. And we will taste it for a while. It's yum anyway. It's a little bit how do you call it? Sure. Maasim, and then creamy. It's taste. It's the taste is so very nice. So I will do it again. This is my own recipe tonight. I am always experimenting sauce for ourselves, for the family used only, for the family food only. So we will eat later. I will make first the different kinds of vegetables. I will fry it. Let's begin.